Hello, you are welcome to Chris Control Automation. In this video, we are going to look at 4 band resistor value identification techniques. We will look at 1 color code chat, 2 component review, 3 color prefix groupings, 4 value calculations, 5 color tolerance calculations, color code chat or table. We have color, first band, second band, third band, that's the multiplier, and fourth band, which is the tolerance. Black, its first band is either dash or 0, second band is 0, and third band is times 10 to the power of 0, which is the same as 1. Brown, its first band is 1, second band is 1, and third band is times 10 to the power of 1, which is the same as 10. Tolerance is plus or minus 1%. In that order all the way up to white, its first band is 9, second band is 9, and third band is 10 exponent 9, which is the same as 1 billion. Not all of them are having tolerances. Gold, its first band and second band are none. Third band is times 0.1, and tolerance is plus or minus 5%. Silver, its first band and second band are none. Third band is times 0.01, and tolerance is plus or minus 10%. Component review. This is a 4-color band resistor. The first band is orange, second band is white, third band is yellow, and fourth band is gold. 4-band resistor colors are always read from left to right. In most cases, the fourth band is either gold or silver. This particular resistor has gold as the fourth band. Color prefix groupings. In color prefix groupings, we look at the number of resistor colors that fall under certain prefix categories such as ohms, kilo ohms, mega ohms, and giga ohms. Under ohms, we have brown, black, gold, silver. Under kilo ohms, we have red, orange, yellow. Under mega ohms, we have green, blue, violet. Under giga ohms, we have gray and white. Resistor value calculations. Let's look at this resistor. This resistor is a 4-band resistor. The first band is orange, which is 3. Second band is white, which is 9. Third band is yellow, which is 10 exponent 4, equal to 10,000. And the fourth band is gold, which is plus or minus 5%. When we add 3 and 9, we get 39. We multiply this 39 by 10,000 to get 390,000 ohms. We will run 3 zeros and replace them with kilo. The value then becomes 390 kilo ohms with a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. Tolerance calculations. The fourth band of this resistor is gold, with a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. This tolerance value means that the actual or nominal resistor value can vary with an increase or a decrease of 5%. Therefore, 5% of 390,000 ohms is equal to 0.05 times 390,000. This gives us a value of 19,500 ohms. This 19,500 ohms is now the actual value of tolerance. Tolerance of plus 5% is equal to 390,000 ohms plus 19,500 ohms, which is equal to 409,500 ohms. Tolerance of minus 5% is equal to 390,000 ohms minus 19,500 ohms, which is equal to 370,500 ohms. This means that the actual resistor value can increase to 409,500 ohms or decrease to 370,500 ohms. This brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe for more videos. Like the video, put down your comment and share to your friends. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.